morning. Today we are on River Segre and we're going to be targeting trout. We are on a stretch of the river that we haven't explored yet, but it's not far from the place where I caught my first trout in here in Spain, just up the river. If you haven't seen that video, somewhere here there's going to be a link to it. You can watch it. This particular stretch of the river is a little bit down from where we fished before, and there is a lovely picnic area over here. That's one of the reasons why we haven't targeted this area in the summer, because it's usually full of people, you know, having lovely time by the river. But since it's winter now and there is no one around, we can have a look, explore, because water looks absolutely amazing. It's super nice, super clear. It's going to be challenging, but we're going to give it a go. Hopefully we'll catch something, and if we do, obviously I'll share it with you. Oh, the water is cold, but very clear. Oh, such a beautiful color. Look at that blue. Over here it looks like a slightly deeper pool. I just need to make sure I'll adjust my drag correctly, so. My surroundings are amazing. It's such a pleasure just to be looking around. But I also have to be paying attention to the fishing. Over here there's a bit of a bend. Water is slowing down and it's deeper. So I'm hoping in a weather like this, trout actually sit and wait over there. Looks to be shallower, but it took me a while to get here, so I'm going to cast a few times and see how we get on. First I'm going to cast to the other bank. It's not deep here, so I'm not waiting for the lure to drop too much. Okay, moving up the river now. Oh my gosh, I wasn't recording! But I saw it jump. My god, is it still there? Yes! Oh gosh, I didn't see it at all. It's a trout! Oh my god, oh my god. First cast! I have a trout! I have a rain! Is it brown? It's brown trout. Oh. Okay, it's managed to unhook itself, so I have to be very careful. Oh, I thought this fish jumped. This fish jumped out. I'm so happy. Wow. Yay, okay, so let's do this so I don't hook myself with my bait. Okay, like that. And I'm going to show you what I managed to catch. As you can see, I have a fish in a net. It's a beautiful brown trout. And the funny thing is, I caught it in pretty much the same spot as the first summer trout in Spain, except I was standing just over there and caught it over here. So we moved to a slightly shallower but slower water, and I guess it did the trick. The trout is beautiful. I think it's good 25, almost 30 centimeters. Let me show you. Oh, it's very lively. It's willing to go, but because I kept it in the water for a long time to make sure it rested. It's a beautiful brown trout. We're going to be letting it go because in this river, rainbows you can keep, but not browns. And we wouldn't. We wanted to swim and make more. And grow, definitely. And make sure there are more trout in this beautiful river. So I'm going to let it go in a minute, but I couldn't be happier. Walking through the jungle and standing in the cold water, it was definitely worth it. So, goodbye fishy fishy. And off you go. Well, exciting, but let's catch another one. I'm so happy I caught that trout. I hope I can catch another one. Even though it's not summer, the scenery around here is really quite beautiful. The mountains look so lovely. And although there are no leaves on the trees, it's still it's gorgeous. Oh no, it's a stone. What? We decided to end our fishing session today, and it was the first session in 2024, so I consider the season open. I managed to catch a lovely trout, not too big, not too small, and this particular stretch of a river is really proving fruitful when it comes to brown trout. We're definitely going to be back here again later in the year. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like what you saw here today, please like and subscribe and maybe share with others that might be interested in watching this channel. I hope you're going to have a lovely rest of your day, and I see you soon.